In a world where productivity, cleanliness, and aesthetics all collide on our desks, countertops, and vanities, this Subekyu Mini Trash Can with lid quietly solves a problem most people ignore until it becomes annoying. Tiny scraps of paper, makeup wipes, coffee stirs, cotton pads, candy wrappers, and random desk clutter pile up far faster than anyone realizes, and what starts as a small mess quickly turns into visual noise that kills focus and makes even beautiful spaces feel chaotic. This compact countertop trash can is designed specifically for that modern reality, where we work, eat, groom, and relax in the same small spaces and need smart tools that keep things looking clean without effort. And the Subekyu Mini Trash Can does that in a surprisingly elegant way, while taking up almost no space at all. Unlike bulky floor bins that dominate a room, this small desk trash can fit naturally on a bathroom vanity, office desk, bedside table, makeup station, or kitchen counter, giving you a dedicated place to drop waste the second it appears instead of letting it drift across your workspace. The slim, minimal design and neutral white color make it blend seamlessly into modern decor, while the discreet lid keeps waste out of sight, so even when it is full, your space still looks tidy. What truly elevates this tiny wastebasket is how it hides the trash bag inside, eliminating the ugly overhang that usually ruins the look of small bins and making it feel like a decorative accessory rather than a garbage container. From a usability perspective, this mini trash can delivers exactly what people want in daily life, which is effortless operation with zero friction. The lid opens and closes smoothly with a single fingertip, so you can throw something away without breaking your flow whether you are working, applying makeup, cooking, or studying. The matte exterior gives it a premium, soft-touch feel that resists smudges, while the smooth interior makes cleaning quick and stress-free when it is time to empty or rinse. It comes with 3 rolls of trash bags, so it is ready to use immediately without needing extra purchases, making it a perfect plug-and-play solution for anyone upgrading their space. This product shines especially for people who value small upgrades that dramatically improve their environment. On a work desk, it keeps paper scraps, snack wrappers, and notes from cluttering your surface. In the bathroom, it becomes a hygienic drop zone for cotton pads, tissues, floss, and wipes. On a kitchen counter, it collects peels, tea bags, and food packaging without forcing you to walk across the room to a large bin. In dorm rooms and small apartments, it adds convenience without sacrificing space, which is a huge advantage when every inch matters. From an SEO perspective, the Subekyu Mini Trash Can fits perfectly into searches for small trash can for desk, countertop waste bin, bathroom mini trash can, tiny garbage bin, and desktop wastebasket, all which are increasingly popular as people create cleaner, more aesthetic work and living environments. This is not just a trash can. It is a lifestyle accessory for people who want their space to feel organized, calm, and intentional. Pros: compact size fits on desks, counters, vanities, and small spaces. Lid hides trash and keeps space looking clean. Trash bags stay hidden for a neat appearance. Smooth click lid makes one-handed use easy. Matte exterior looks modern and premium. Smooth interior makes cleaning fast. Includes 3 rolls of trash bags, ideal for office, bathroom, kitchen, dorm, and bedroom. Cons: not designed for large household waste. Small capacity means frequent emptying for heavy use. Best suited for light daily trash. Small messes create big stress, and nothing ruins a beautiful desk or bathroom faster than clutter that has nowhere to go. The Subekyu Mini Trash Can gives every little piece of waste a home, so your space stays clean, calm, and visually pleasing without effort. Designed for modern living, this tiny but powerful wastebasket blends seamlessly into your decor while keeping garbage hidden, odors contained, and surfaces spotless. It is the kind of simple upgrade that instantly makes your daily routine feel more organized and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.